Hello everyone, my name is Amit Kumar.
I am Yash.
So hi, myself Akash.
Internship at Abhyaz as a software engineer intern.
I had joined Abhyaz as a software developer intern.
As a data analyst at Indian at Abhyaz.
The Abhyaz team is highly professional,
Got
supportive.
the mentors like Shruti Gupta ma'am and Glory ma'am who were very supportive towards me.
The mentors were very helpful.
I had the chance to learn new skills, work on exciting projects, and grow both personally and professionally.
I worked on the various projects. Firstly, I worked on file management system, and secondly, I worked on the Odo software.
I have worked on live projects and learned new skills and gained experience on the how the data analyst
If you
work.
are looking for a company that values learning, growth, and a great work culture, I highly recommend Abhyaz. Thank you, Abhyaz.
I recommend to all the people who want to join the Abhyaz and work with Abhyaz. So thank you.
I am very grateful for Abhyaz for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.